Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to install and use Google Chat in your laptop or in your PC. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. First of all, open your Google Chrome. Then you can see this type of icon available here, the left side of your profile icon. Click on this. In this option, you can see all of your available Google softwares and you can see Google Chat also. When you click on the chat option, it will redirect you to the Google Chat's official website. And you can use it from here. You can use every Google apps, including Google Chat, from here and using these following steps. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.